Here's a ceiling fan in the same app. I already have a photo of this. See if I can turn it on. I think it's the switch. Yeah, there it goes. I have no idea what it is, but it looks interesting. It's got a reverse chain. So that's cool.